How's it going, guys? Chris Jones, owner-operator here at Speed of Sound Audio Experts. We have in front of us here the new Velocity Neo R65s. These are a 6.5-inch cast aluminum basket with a neodymium magnet. These are what we're installing in our 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. These speakers have a power handling of 400 watts peak, 150 watts RMS. They're a 4-ohm speaker. We're going to be pairing these up with our Velocity horn tweeters. This is the Velocity horn tweeter that we're going to pair these up. These will get mounted into the grill in front of these speakers. These also come with a really nice set passive crossovers. These are all plug and play. These will plug directly into the stock wire harness in our Harley-Davidson. What's also cool about these is the stock speaker harness for the Harley. The plugs that come with the speakers actually match the stock wire. So what we'll do is we'll plug these in, and of course we'll heat shrink over these to keep them in place. And then these will screw down right to the speaker. Really nice setup. So these should be installed today in our 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Just to give you an idea, I know I've showed you guys these before, but that's the stock speaker that came out of the Road Glide. So that's the Harley-Davidson speaker. So again, these are the Velocity R65 Neos with the neodymium magnet.